Welcome back, everyone. Sadly, I have left Nepal after staying there for 2 whole months, but I am now in Bali, and I just wanted to go over everything that I put in my checked bag. If you are new to my page, my name is Nini. I travel on $35 a day, and my boyfriend and I have decided that we're going to travel for about 7 months on a budget. Also, to make things easier, I will link everything below that I use. So let's get into it. This is seriously going to take me all day, so now I have to go through and see what I have to throw away because I only have 25 kilograms, which is about 50 pounds. A little bit more than that. Look at these little curly cues though. Okay, so I've got 3 pairs of leggings and 4 workout shirts. By the way, look at this view that we had from our apartment and my little shroom shirt. Now keep in mind that everything listed in this video is in my checked bag, so there's a lot more that I brought. Oh no, it broke. Here's the problem. I have so many pants because I bought more. So I don't know how they're all gonna fit, honestly.
1, 2, 3, 4, that's a shirt. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
By the way, always keep outfits aside to put in your carry-on in case your checked bag gets lost. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crop tops, 2 party shirts, 3 cover-ups, 4 bathing suits, which I'm so mad because I had originally like 8 bathing suits and Isaac made me leave some at home. I'm gonna blame him. 2 long sleeve shirts, 4 pairs of shorts, 2 pashminas. I love my pashminas. These are a must when you are traveling to spiritual places like Bali and Nepal because you have to cover up your shoulders when you go into temples. And I also have a few shirts that do cover my shoulders, like this one. I think I'm gonna throw this one away. I got this for the Buddhist retreat that I had to go to, and I don't really like it. It kind of served its purpose. Yeah, we're gonna throw this away. Now, I brought a lot of underwear, but I separate them into blacks and colors because blacks are my period underwear. I only wear thongs, and I know that's a little weird to only wear a thong even if you're on your period, but I can't wear anything else. So I think I brought like a total of 25 underwear because, like I said, I sweat a lot in these countries because it's so hot and not a lot of places have AC. And I take about 30 showers a day, and I'm not one to put on old underwear. That's gross. And I got these on Amazon.
I put all my undergarments into one bag.
However, I do leave one in my carry-on. I always have at least 2 or 3 outfits and all my underwear or most of my underwear in my carry-on because you never know what's going to happen with your bag. So anything important plus some extra clothes should always go in your carry-on. You don't know if you're going to get it back, and you don't know how long it's going to take. So write that down. And then bras. I personally don't wear bras. However, unless I work out. So I brought a few pair. I brought way more than I should have. I've only used 1 bra. 6 bras. That's way too much. 6 pairs of socks, including 1 very fuzzy sock in case it does, for some reason, get cold. And I have been traveling for about 3 months and I have not used socks at all. Or my sneakers. We were supposed to go trekking in Nepal and I just didn't because it's been monsoon season, which means it's been raining a lot.
Okay, now I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 crop tops.
out of it.
I have no idea how that will fit. Now make sure you always weigh your luggage beforehand because it might be overweight. I got so lucky because it was just at 55 pounds. Now, if you want to see what's on my carry-on, let me know in the comments and I will see you next time.